Jai Hind student, today we are going to revision the law of diminishing marginal utility. The law of diminishing marginal utility states that as the unit of good consumed increase, the marginal utility of that good tend to be diminishing. What is reason for this law? The diminishing marginal utility result from the fact that our enjoyment of goods decline as more and more of it consumed. Suppose consumer is hungry and start to eat bananas. The first unit of banana give him 8 utils of utility. Now marginal utility start to diminishing with consumption of every successive unit of banana. So the consumer gets 6, 4, 2 or marginal utility from the consumption of second, third and fourth unit of bananas. When he consumes the fifth unit of banana, he does not give any additional utility to him because it is a point of certainty from him. Hence the marginal utility of the fifth unit banana becomes 0. If he goes for consuming banana even after this point of certainty, it may create some trouble for him. It may have adverse effect on his, and the marginal utility of 6 unit become negative. So this is the law of diminishing marginal utility is. Here the law of diminishing marginal utility states that as more unit of commodity are consumed, the marginal utility derived by consumer successive unit goes on decline. In other words, we can say that with successive increase in consumption of commodity, the marginal utility of commodity will fall. We can see in the tabulation presentation the unit of x commodity 1 2 3 4 5 and marginal utility in the utils are declining, that is 30 20 10 0 minus 10, and 0 is the point of certainty. The table clearly show that the consumption of X commodity increase, the mu decrease with the increase in consumption, and diagrammatic presentation is also there. It shows that in diagram that consumer consume additional unit of commodity, mu from this unit goes diminishing. At a point of E, mu is 0, which show the point of full satisfaction or point of satisfaction of the consumer. The assumptions for of the law is that all unit of commodity must be same in all respect, size, color, design and quality. The unit of commodity must be standard and suitable. The consumptions of the commodity must be continuous without any time intervals, and there should be no change in taste, preference, fashion, habit and income of the consumer. There should be no change in the price of the substitute goods. Consumer state of mind is also constant. The price of commodity should be constant during the course of consumption, and consumer is rational. He want to maximize his satisfactions, and marginal utility of money remain constant. The extension of the law does not apply to rare commodity and moment Asian documents. The law does not apply to alcoholic drink. Law does not apply to classic music, and the law does not apply applicable to miserable, and law does not apply when the consumption unit are very small. Law does not apply for hobbies of collection coin, stamp, CD, etc. The conclusion is that the law of diminishing marginal utility considered as fundamental law of satisfactions of fundamental psychological law because it has the universal applicability. Now, what is meaning of consumer equilibrium? The consumer equilibrium refer to a situation when consumer get maximum satisfaction from the purchase of commodity with his given income, and he has no tendency to make any change in his exact purchase. In short, we can say that consumer equilibrium represents the state of maximum satisfactions to the consumer from given money income. Now question arise, how should consumer spend his money income on different commodity? How much quantity of different commodities should be purchased by the consumer? How should consumer allocate his given money income among different commodities? What is the guiding principle for consumer in the purchase of various commodity? To answer all these questions, the economists have developed the concept of consumer equilibrium.